hiking to excellence.
Ari nukumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ni kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kirio. Meru Tv Kenya kengo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yako. Mbitigeria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya.
Ni wakati mtoto ana transition, let's say from a primary now to something called junior secondary school, because you have two sections, that's junior secondary school and you have senior secondary school. Because the man is quite normal secondary school. Now you have junior secondary school now and then senior secondary school. So when you from the grade 7, grade 8 and then grade 9.
So ni secondary ya msingi.
Yeah, it's secondary ya msingi sasa.
So inaanza primary. Mtoto kwa primary bado kwa secondary.
Yani ako primary lakini ako secondary school.
Uko hapa.
There's this thing of change of uniform. Tumeiona kwa the junior secondary school. Na bado kuna hao wanafunzi wako darasa la 8. Bado wako na zile uniform za shule za primary. Jambo hili unalionaje ili swala? Was it good? Ilikuwa vizuri hao wanafunzi wabadilisha kama wama at least wangekuwa wote, kwa sababu hao wako class 8 sasa ndio wako primary, hao wako class 7 ndio wako secondary. What do you think? How do you see?
Kuchange kwa uniform ni mzuri, at least kuna have a difference between now wakiwa secondary school and maybe in primary school. It has some difference in a way. Wajua kuna kama wako secondary school na kuna ayoko primary school.
Lakini hawa wako class 8 ni unajua hakuna ule bure ndio wako
inaka sibling rivalry. Don't you think italeta sibling rivalry such that mwenye ako class 8 ana feel inferior, mwenye naye ako junior secondary na bado ni mdogo kuliko mwenye ako class 8? How do
haitaweza kwa sababu unajua they are being advised wanaambiwa, even the children they know we have two different education system now. We have CBC and the 844. Even them they know that we are the end of 844 system. Wajua wanatoka waende au wengine wakuje junior secondary school. So hakuna mahali utakuwa wameumia kimpango kwa sababu they are aware of that.
Okay, thank you mwalimu. In terms of leadership, juu tunaona kila kitu imebadilika. That old system ya tulikuwa tunapitia pia kwa that old system, sisi tulikuwa tuko na viongozi kama vile the president, tulikuwa na class prefect, sijui kwa this new curriculum. Haya mambo bado yako ama yamebadilika?
We prefer them to have, so at least we experience having leadership roles.
Okay.
So even though there are different CBC, even to have
na bado majina ni yale to president, the captain.
In our case, in our school, you have the president.
Okay.
When you have deputy president, then you have the senator in our school.
Senator.
And the senator?
Senator ni wagani ni?
For example, in our school, in our class 8, that's why we have the president of the school, the president.
Class 8.
Class 8.
Senator naye?
Now the deputy president comes out from class 7 now.
Ndiye anaitwa senator?
Deputy president.
Okay. Senator naye atatoka class.
Now we have the senator now.
So class 6 ndo kuna senator. Na class 5
women rep. Women rep.
According to our school, now you have the person who rings the bell now, called the bell ring.
That's nice. And class 4?
Class 4 because they have joined from the grade 3, they don't have any roles now.
But
when they go to grade 5 now, they give out responsibility in the school.
Class reps wako?
Class rep, yeah, we have class rep for class captains.
Oh, ni class captain?
Class captains.
Okay.
Class captains.
Kuna na mambo na rep.
From class 1, every class rep, you have class captains.
Class rep, adi class 8.
Now, hapa wakati sasa tumeintroduce junior secondary, hao walikuwa wanafunza grade 4, grade whatever, grade 6, ndio watafunza junior secondary ama wanaeza ama ni new teachers watachukua hiyo role?
I think hata nyinyi mwenyewe mnaona kwamba the government was enrolling 30,000 teachers. Now, in the government, in the school, in the country, we have more than 30,000 teachers. And the government was saying it will employ 2 teachers in every school. Okay. Now tell me, how 2 teachers will teach subjects?
That's why I'm asking, this itakuwa aje sasa? Kwa sababu these teachers wa junior secondary ni wachache sana.
So now, if the school has the arrangement whereby the teachers who are teaching the other CBC, they are continuing with the grade 7.
Will they be trained?
That's why the government was having seminars for teaching CBCs. For example, like I went to the training. Some teachers in our school. For example, in our school, the management always have some trainees as teachers who could be trained the seminars. Teachers can able to hold the CBCs.
Lakini we're talking of junior secondary. Hii ni kama ni secondary. So hao walimu wanafunza grade
1, grade 4, grade 3.
Kuna knowledge ya kufunza these high school.
For example,
kama ni secondary.
Let's say they were in grade 6 or before.
Okay.
So we are teaching the same subjects. Okay. They went to grade 7, the same subject. Okay. Now you have the different subjects that were being added.
So in grade 7 ni zile subjects zimeongezewa tu. I was thinking maybe zote zimetupiliwa mbali then zikakuja zingine.
No. They were the same. For example, in grade 6 we had mathematics.
Yes.
So let's continue. Okay. We had English, same grade 7. Okay. We had Kiswahili, same is grade 7. We had agriculture. From grade 6 to grade 7, kusema agriculture. But some subjects about zimeongezewa like health education, integrated science, zimeongezewa. B was there in grade 6. B was in grade 7. So there's no difference.
Okay.
Okay.
There's no difference.
As a school, apart from trainings as serikali, do you have other different trainings you offer your teachers?
Yeah, in our sub-county, our CSO always organize some seminars. Maybe our CSO always talk to the head teachers. Like in our head teacher, Mr. Bir, always maybe have some teachers in every school, so like 2 or 3 teachers, they go to seminars. That's been organized by our CSO in this.
What do you think about ama unafikiria aje kuhusu additional subjects? Don't you think ni burden kwa mtoto mwenye ako grade 7 kubeba the 12 subjects?
It can be like a burden, but not really a huge burden, because the learners wameanzia in grade 4, so they have experienced more like they're now 3 years now. It's not like a burden.
But sasa wako na 12. So hizo moja mbili tatu 12.
In grade 4 they had 12 subjects also.
In grade
4 they had 12 subjects.
Under the new curriculum.
This CBC now. So hii CBC ndio ilianza mapema sana. So from grade 4 kuna 12 subjects, grade 5 same. And pia amenasa grade 7 they have the same number of subjects.
And mwalimu, nikijaribu kufikiria, during our time tulikuwa tunafanya I think 5 subjects. 6 subjects. And tulikuwa na lesson ilikuwa that 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
And at times unapata kuna subject iko double. Kuna class iko double. And at times unapata kuna subject hatujafanya hiyo siku. At times I think kama siko sahihi sana. Ama hajakuwa na masaa mazuri ya kufunza. And now that tuko na all these other subject, kumekuwa na kubadilishwa kwa ratiba ya kufunza, ama mnafanya aje kuhakikisha kwamba all these units or other subject mmezifunza in a day?
Kulingana timetable, in a day we have 8 lessons. According to the timetable, because I'm the one who prepared the timetable. We have 8 lessons. But out of those subjects, they're supposed to be taught twice in a week. It's supposed to be taught thrice or maybe every day. They come as supposed to be taught daily.
Yes.
English also daily. So it's supposed to be taught 4 lessons in a week, according to the structure of the schedule, CBC.
4 days.
And it's supposed to have 4 lessons short. 4 lessons.
4 lessons.
So maybe kuseme kama leo Monday Kiswahili, Tuesday. Out of 5 days, maybe 1 day kutakuwa na Kiswahili. Hesabu is supposed to have 5 lessons in a week. 5 lessons. Like now, for now, PE has 2 lessons now. The whole week. So tunapanga kama leo na kesho, maybe Monday, maybe on Thursday, 2 lessons. Become like something like agriculture, maybe on Thursday, 2 lessons. Become like something like agriculture, has 2 lessons. 3 lessons. Sorry. Every education has 3 lessons. Yes. Yeah. So you're able to arrange from Monday to Friday, at least every subject is being tackled and being taught.
So mnahakikisha maybe at the end of the week
every subject is given his time allocation, allocate time yake. Shule yetu hatubahatishi. So before a teacher come in the school, we had a community whereby teachers being interviewed to see the teachers capable in holding these classes. We always check the documents. Kama mwalimu he or she is it able to handle the school or cannot be able to handle the school. Yes. So in our school, the teachers we are teachers who are able to teach these schools.
Okay.
Yes.
Kuna yule mzazi labda anatamani angeleta mtoto wake shule yenu. How are the fees kutoka pre group kwenda inaitwa PP1, PP2, then unaingia grade. Just explain to us how is your school, ama bei yenu ni ile ya huko
Maju. In our school, the fees is affordable to every parent in our school. It's comfortable. Yani fees about every parent can able to access. But about the fees because they are different from the playgroup, P1, P2 up to class, they're totally different. So I cannot able to know all the school fees.
Sure.
But when you come to access in our school, we have the secretary and we have the managed staff of Stina. So when you go to our school, you can talk about the fee structure from playgroup, P1 up to class 8.
And why is it that your school is the best? Ama maybe kwa nini mzazi ungemuhimiza alete mtoto wake shuleni?
Kwa shule yetu ningependa I could urge the parents to bring children in our school because our school is the best since the history of producing good marks. Then we have teachers who are able to teach. No, most of the school, maybe I can say, they don't offer practicals. But in our school, we offer practicals after learning. For example, on Saturdays and Sundays, we do something called practicals. Like in a school, teachers who teach PE. Like on Sundays, after they have learned the whole practical lesson the whole week, on Sundays they go and learn the practical itself now in the field. Even something called home science. Our teachers, we have a place whereby they go action on board meeting. We go and practice in our school.
Okay.
So we can encourage our parents to bring learners in our school. This is reason whereby our school is the best in terms of discipline. It's our school is the best have the best teachers who can able to hold the CB system when the 844 system. Then in our school we have somebody we prefer in the excelling of our learners. Masomo ni masomo bora, si bora masomo.
Ni masomo bora.
There are these things. Kuna vitu ambavyo huvutia sana wanafunzi. Wakati nasema kwamba mimi ningelipenda kwenda lile shule kwa sababu ya kile na hiki. Ningelipenda kwenda sana kwa hili shule kwa sababu labda kuna wale wanavutiwa sana na the activities. Kuna games, tunaenda kuna swimming, weekends, tunaenda michezo games, kuna basi la shule, kuna maybe meals, the meals are amazing. Ni nini hiyo aswa ingevutia sana mwanafunzi?
Unajua kulingana na tamanio la kila mzazi, mtoto wake apate masomo bora.
Yes.
So shule yetu wazazi wanapenda kuleta watoto kwa sababu ya elimu ambayo iko shule. Because even some of the school they don't know the meaning of CBC. So in our school we train learners according to the standard of the CBC itself now.
Okay.
So even now in the rest this year we had a huge intake of our learners. For example, we had an intake of like 150 pupils. 150 newcomers who are joining. Yeah. So our parents even now their parents ambao you are training them, maybe the space is limited because they are congesting our school. Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to maybe those activities maybe during the weekends, kupeleka watoto kuswim or those other activities kana na masomo sasa.
We can say swimming you don't have because you don't have a swimming pool somewhere. But they go and engage in PEs outside there.
Okay.
Then on weekends we have something called guidance and counseling.
Okay.
No, every school is not about learning. You must involve guidance and counseling.
Yeah. So
in our school we have people who are able to handle guidance and counseling for both boys and girls. So on weekends we have some sessions for them to go on vacation and counseling. Then we have something called entertainment. Yes.
Okay.
We give them a chance to waimbe, or they dance. We have our dancers in our school.
Yes.
Dancers in our school.
Bado kwa wanafunzi ama
wanafunzi.
Oh.
Saturday we give them a chance to go and practice. Because even on Saturday they go and practice on the following day because they are having attended mass.
Okay.
Yes.
Talk about mwalimu. Thank you. Talk about transport ya watoto shule na about vitabu. Kama mzazi ananunua vitabu ama ni nyinyi mnapeananga shule na mambo na transport ya watoto.
About transport in our school we have 3 buses.
Okay.
And we have a van. We have 2 vans. And we have 3 buses. So 3 buses they go for runners very early in the morning. Some wengine afika hata Meru town, na paka Mikombone, huko Sedia Mujwa. They are bring runners in the school. Around 7:30 all runners are in the school.
7:30. Okay.
Because in our school so start at 7:30 in the morning. For boarders, but for the scholars, but for the rest we started very early in the morning. That's for grade 7 and class 8 you have morning lessons.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about the
books?
The books that we in our school we give runners textbooks.
Okay.
For instance, books we also give them. When the book is filled up, we are being good. The secretary have been exchanged a new book.
There is a story that has been hitting the headline mwalimu, ya kwamba kuna wazazi wanakuja shule wanataka watoto wao, kama mtoto alikuwa anaenda grade 7 anataka mtoto aende class 8. So I don't know kama mmekuwa na hiyo whereby mzazi instead ya mtoto kulingana na zile challenges ziko kwa junior secondary ana opt acha niende mtoto wangu aende class 8 afanye KCP na marize hiyo story sahi. Have you encountered that?
We have heard that rumors from the televisions, but in our case you don't have that case. Yes. Even me, I was hearing from the media. But in real practical in our school don't experience those kind of cases.
In case kwa yule mzazi akona hilo fikira ama anataka kufanya hivyo, ungemwambia itaadhiri vipi mtoto ama how does that affect the child?
Dependa kwa himizo wazazi wa shule. Kama uko na nia kutoka kutransmit from the secondary school any class 8 in our school is impossible. Then it affect the child. Because in junior secondary in CBC we have the different systems totally different. Totally different. So unajua kama recent example the sub ya CBC totally different the sub 844. So mtoto akitoka hapa aende junior aende 844 system the child maybe can fail. Kwa masomo ni tofauti. CBC na 844.
Okay, thank you mwalimu. Okay. Wacha tuongee kidogo kuhusiana na the interviews. When do you have your interviews?
Interviews we have twice in a term. For example, we have at the beginning of the term, at the end of the term.
Beginning of the term and at the end of the term.
For example, like now we had an interview on the January, and we expect to have an interview at the end of the term. But in case of in case of the term up, we also organize a day for the runners to come to the interviews. Now in our case now on March, I think the 1st or the 2nd, we have an interview in our school.
March the 1st
or the 2nd, we have an interview in our school.
Okay.
For all learners from grade 1 up to grade 7, we have interview in our
Okay. Yeah. And maybe kuna mzazi pale nje, labda angependa sana kujua mengi kuhusiana na shule hii. Labda mko na wavuti, mko na maybe accounts of Facebook, namba yenu yenye mtu maybe angependa kuuliza maswali shule yenu one on one, ama is there anything of the sort?
Yeah, in our school we have a school phone number. Okay. School landline number. In the process now we want to introduce landline to God. Yes. But currently we have school phone number. If him or her, they have school phone number. So they can any habari unataka kujua about the school.
Ningependa kuongea na shule nasi ni kama hata hizo namba kwa kwina amucheri turaidite na ringeenda sana kuigwa akimenyaga maingi makone na chukuru yeno na ringeenda kuigwa care na gire maybe na chukuru yongwa emokwemo akiura ya biuria nonto labda atiomba kuigwa akiura ya emokwemo biuria gawo au mba kuigwa gichoka.
Yeah.
So our school phone number 0745 14 25 56. Ndio tena 0745 14 2556. Hiyo ndio our school phone number. In case of anything, you can call that number. Tutasaidiwa vizuri sana.
Okay. Yes. Shukrani mwalimu. Kwa Facebook una account ama mnanuia
the process now, our school Facebook, then we're trying to have the email in our school.
Yeah, okay.
As time goes by, before this term ends, we'll be having that email and the Facebook account.
Okay, okay. Yeah, ni muhimu sana haswa wakati mtu anataka kujua kuangalia. Kwa sababu saa hizi unauliza hiyo shule ni gani, na uenda Facebook kuangalia unapata performance zao ziko huko, walikuwa wamefanya hivi na hivi, sijui nini. Yeah, those things really do help. Tunapomalizia mwalimu, acha ni kuulize sasa wasia kwa gani kwa this new government. Tumeona kumekuwa na waziri mpya wa elimu Machogu, kuna yule alikuwa pale mwenda zake, and then kuna tetesi kwamba sijui kama ni kweli ama ni uongo kwamba mtihani wa mwaka huu ulifanywa kitu uliopita, ulifanywa, wanafunzi walipita kupita kiasi, haikuwa kawaida. Kama unaelewa vile namaanisha. Is it true according to you? Do you think last year's exam ili leak?
According to
and then do you think our new CS anawezana na kulingana na sasa si shule isikuwe ni shule ilisema Machogu mbaya sana, shule ilisema according to you, do you think Machogu is capable?
Machogu is more than capable.
Okay.
It's okay. Although it's being the first time to this years.
Okay.
So I think he's doing the best thing in the ministry.
Okay.
Unajua kwa kutoza siku anguka. Maybe it's the first time to do, maybe for ya mara kwanza kutoka kufanya KCP when he's a CS. But according to my case and according to my thinking, the CS Machogu is the best CS. Maybe he ran from our former cigarette.
Talk about the last year's exam.
The last exam, I will speak according to my school because I don't know other schools how it was.
No. There is, okay, ulisikia shule zimepita na you have had exam imepitwa vizuri sana. Now, not as a St. Han, but as the entire country, venye exam ilikuwa. How is your take?
Wewe tu isikuwe ni shule, sio shule inaongea sasa.
Kulingana mimi, wanafunzi kuna shule huwa zinapita, mimi si short. There school, unajua kuna watu kwamba wanamaanisha kwamba wana school pass, maybe they have a leakage or somewhere. Let me tell you, the school that teacher teach. Na sio watu wanasoma wanapita vizuri. So watu wakisema tetezi kwamba ati shule mtu wanyo aliiba ama mtihani kuna leakage. Maybe some school they help, and see. But according to what I know, I have taught some many schools. Na many schools they pass very well the KCPE.
Yes.
But sasa tumeona shule mingi hata hazikuwa zinajulikana zimepita all of a sudden, na si mmoja amepita, like class yote imepita.
Labda walifunzwa nasi.
Kwani miaka ingine hawako wanafunzwa ama vipi? Anyway,
jambo walielezea pale likakuwa la maana sana. Kuna mzazi anatazama pale nyumbani, labda amevunjika moyo, labda ana karo ya shule, mtoto wake labda amefukuzwa, sijui kama siku hizi wanafunzi hufukuzwa kitambo, but no, labda ana karo ya shule, mtoto wake kwa grade 7 ana pesa ya kumtafutia a new uniform, labda ungependa kumpea shauri gani?
Kuhusiana school fees.
Yeah, maybe ana school fees, wanalala njaa, ako na mashida kuhusiana na mtoto wake.
wewe kama mwalimu.
Wewe sasa kama mwalimu ungependa kumshauri nini ama kuambia mzazi kama huyo aje?
Ningependa kumshauri mzazi kwamba ukosefu wa school fees si ati sababu mtoto akose kusoma. Sababu kuna hata mimi mwenyewe, my parents didn't have school fees to pay. Zamu mimi nisomea shule ya public school ya kwenda kurudi. And haikusababisha mimi nikuwe mali niko sasa. Ningependa kuwapea mshauri mzazi ambaye hana school fees, maybe anaona shida ya maisha kwamba kumpatia sana kabisa. Asikufe moyo na apende mtoto wako haki yake ya masomo. Apende masomo shule, sababu masomo ni akiba ya baadaye. So at least mtoto akimpatia masomo, at least baadaye mtoto anakuja kumsaidia, atakuwa na furaha baadaye. So masomo is a key thing to success.
Okay, thank you mwalimu. Maybe is there anything else maybe you would like us to know about St. Anne kabla tujamaliza?
I would like to know about the St. Anne is that it's the best school to be. For example, me, I'm proud to be a teaching center. Since 2019, I was a teaching center. And I'm very privileged to be in that school.
Okay.
Na sifikiri kuhama, sifikiri kutoka, because who I am today is very different from who I am when I was joining the school. And then about the school is the best place to be for learners, because wanafunzi wakiingia pale who they are transformed, how they came and how they are leaving the school. Some of the school has a legacy about children who are exiting in graduate. For example, in our the previous KCP, our children went to national schools, most of them. One of them went to Panganigas, 2 of them. Some went to Mangu High School, Alliance High School. Who the best was having 420 in my KCP. So I could say that the best school to join is St. Andy, because you offer the quality education. Masomo bora si bora masomo. Yes.
Bwega mwalimu. And then maybe njirenu mtu akeno nuntu kwina mtu labda mbako watu ilete Meru ari ntere mwanya where exactly are you located?
Well, on the way from Meru to Nkobo, before Fike Nkobo, there are a place called Kariene. So when you're in the Kariene, when you are heading to Nkobo, on your left hand side, we just drop like maybe 200 meters, you will see a board written there, St. Andy and Building. Okay. So because if you're Kariene market, you can ask even where is St. Andy and Building. Even you have a billboard there written St. Andy and Building.
Okay. Yeah. That's it.
Kumushakiria nkatho no tundatega kona dhati yetu zimeenda sana. Asante sana mwalimu kwa sababu ya kukuja na kutuambia moja mawili na tukuthoma muno na manto jegie ECDE bara imbije otekwijinya imbie thomithagwo ECDE otekwijinya ECDE ne mbi otekwijinya ne mbi lakini naruo kubenya na tukauga ne bwaga muraithirio wa Meru TV na mubango jujua jwege kithomo tugakwijira ntuko chionde chia Alhamisi na nikio gitumi twina mwalimu ntuko ya narwa. Thank you sana mwalimu.
Thank you mwalimu for coming. At least tumejifunza mengi. Ntubo kutenga kanya kuwaya twale. Labda ntubo kwa mudia, labda tuambie na lugha yako ya mama. Kila mwisho kabla tujamaliza mpango.
Ngia kwa lugha ya mama ama Kikuyu.
Yes, talk with it.
Ngira kuga atiriri, thegio muno tondu wa guka station ya Meru TV na muno ngira gucokeria ngatho manager witu wa cukuru tagwo Sister Faustina tudakuhe kanya kagaguka Meru TV at least nigetha cukuru itu ya Sendan kide kumenyekana na nigetha at least miaka igiroka tukona arutwa agiaruka cukuru itu. Yes,
thank you very much.
Salimia Smack. Gebia Smaki. Smaki na kororete. Gebia Smaki. Ni director.
Our director anakusalimia sana.
Msalimia na Kikuyu. Nemu Kikuyu.
Director kwa natia. Tako saimoni ama de mwalimu kuma St. Andy and Building.
Okay. Wega sana mreveria. Inyo.
Achana nayo. Hashi hapo. Ashana nayo.
Kikuyu nimesoma from our director. Asha nimesoma kitu kama Asha.
Asha ni hapana sasa.
Hapana, nimesoma kitu kama kari gani?
Kariki.
Anyway, wewe murithiri wa Meru TV na tukwenda mbele kwa watu nitu nati kumaria tu tukiambagire mubango tuwe watanirite na munini wa mwarimu munene kumachukurenu ya St. Anna na Arakariene na kwenda mbele kwa kebe yagirwa tuwe kinya liunga chukuru eno uthina mbere kwe ugichwera mwana waku kithomo kega tuikana tugire ugai kana rugairwa gomba kunenkera mwana waku kagitaniaka ikumunekera kithomo kega turikane ugorokire ndiro cha Meru TV ugoro ni ubambitaga ni family na Sokimathi tinda bwega
tushemani ntuko ya rojo kire mubango jua turingeme ni mbitagwa nansi ndogo tinda bwega.
uri mosiari na nokuri naomba wike mwana wa kusukuru enjega Chogoria Milimani Academy